Dear students, welcome back to SOIM program. Today we are going to discuss content creation, curation and engagement strategies. With this following agenda, what is content creation? What is digital content curation? And what are major data content engagement strategies? And the conclusion part. Dear learners, you are aware that the libraries be having the important role apart from the dissemination of information. We have to create the content and that has to be curated from different sources, and the content should be delivered to the our users by using different engagement strategies. Content plays a crucial role in establishing connections and achieving success in the modern digital world. Content creation involves developing original and compelling materials that align with the interest of our audience. Complementing this, content curation involves finding and sharing valuable information from reliable sources, providing additional value while saving time. However, creating great content is only a part of the equation. Strong engagement strategies are essential to ensure our message reaches the right audience, builds trust, and nurtures enduring relationships among user and the library. Content creation involves producing materials for digital platforms like blogs, social media, and websites to engage and educate a targeted audience of the library. This content can take various forms, including video, blog post, infographics, and images, and is crafted to be informative, relevant, and consistent in order to attract and maintain the interest of the desired audience. Content creation includes utilizing a range of tools and technologies such as video editing software, blogging platforms, social media tools, and various applications to produce and distribute digital content to a broad audience. So, we can say that content creation is a process of developing original, high quality material tailored to meet the needs, interest, and preferences of your target audience. So this content serves to educate, entertain, inspire, or address a specific pain points. So librarians also playing very important role in creation of the content. We have to encourage to develop strong research, organizational editing and communication skills along with the expertise in graphic designs and search engine optimization SEO to effectively produce and manage the digital content. So librarians are playing very important role in the content creation to connect with the library users. So librarian can utilize various platforms including blogs, podcasts, YouTube and wikis to develop and manage digital content. With their expertise in information search and retrieval, metadata management, and copyright, along with a strong understanding of intellectual property rights and licenses, librarians are well equipped to create and oversee digital content effectively. Furthermore, librarians can also enhance the user education by producing instructional videos and other content and posting into various social media that will reach a wide range of library users. Dear students, now let us see what are the important aspects of content creation. Before you creating a content, you should understand the audience. It is essential to research your audience. This involves understanding their demographics, challenges, and goals. And there are different variety of contents. So content format should align with both the platform and the audience preferences. So there are different content formats like blog post and articles for educational purpose, videos for storytelling and tutorials, or videos for library education purpose, infographics to simplify complex topics, and social media updates for engaging the users about the new arrivals and new content creation, and the podcast for deep dives and interviews. So one can choose the best type of content format for developing your content. And another important aspect is you should have a strategic planning. A well defined content strategy includes creating calendars, conducting keyword researches for search engine optimization, and ensuring alignment with the organizational objectives. One should prepare a proper strategic planning before creating a content for your library. The next is consistency and quality. Publishing regularly with well researched, high quality content enhances the credibility and keeps the audience engaged. The focus should be on quality over quantity while maintaining a brand consistent tone. Next is optimization. Employ search engine optimization practices such as incorporating keywords, meta descriptions, and backlinks to improve content visibility on search engines. That is very important aspects. So learners, now we discuss about what is content creation. The next topic is what is digital content curation. Digital content curation refers to the deliberate selection and organization of electronic content to serve a specific audience. It often involves compiling, referencing, and presenting the work of others in a way that adds value and relevance. By repackaging and sharing discovered online materials, this process creates a curated collection emphasizing, showcasing, and redistributing content rather than generating new original content. In the first topic, the content creation, there we created the content for various media like blogs, social media, and other media for delivering the content for the library. Here what we are doing, we are selecting content from other sources and we repackaging it according to the requirements of the users, and we distributing it for our users instead of creating a original content. What are different process of content creation? Defining the objective and audience, we have to clearly identify the purpose of creating content and understanding the audience needs. And the second stage is finding reliable sources such as website, social media, or research databases to select the content. Because we should remember one thing, we should select the content from the relevant or authentic sources. And after identifying the content, we have to select high quality relevant information while filtering out unnecessary materials from these relevant or authentic sources. Once you collect that content after filtering, then you have to organize the content, giving the that means you are structuring the content for easy access and better comprehension. Then after organization of the content, we have to enhance the content by adding commentary, analysis, or additional resources to comprehend further to the context. The next process is publishing, distributing the curated content through appropriate platforms like blogs, social media, and newsletters. That up to the nature of the library and the interest of the audience, you can select which media will be best for publishing the curated content. And another process which we have is encouraging interaction through comments, discussion, and feedback. We have to engage our audience. And after that, you have to monitoring the performance by measuring the success of curated content through engagement metrics and audience responses. You have to monitor the performance, how well it has been accepted by the audience. And if it's required, you should adjust the strategy based on performance of data to refine the curation process that you are calling say refining and improving the content. So we can say the content curation involves discovering, organizing, and sharing relevant content from third party sources that align with your brand's voice and audience interest. This approach complements content creation by broadening the scope of information which you provide without requiring constant original output. Dear students, now we are entering to the next area of our today's topic, engagement strategies. So we discussed about what is digital content creation, what is digital content curation, and their processes, how to create the content and how to curate the content. Now we are discussing once the content you created and the content you curated, that how you will be able to market, how you are able to distribute, how to be able to engage our audience with this content. So digital engagement strategies encompass various methods and techniques aimed at connecting with and engaging audiences through digital platforms, particularly social media. These strategies focus on promoting meaningful interactions, building strong relationships, and encouraging active participation and collaboration. Within the world of social media marketing, digital engagement strategies are crafted to strengthen an organization's online visibility, boost brand recognition, and foster greater customer involvement. Learners, now let us discuss what are the 8 strategies which is given by Drummond et al. In the year 2019 for social media marketing for user engagement. He has mentioned there are 8 categories, 8 strategies. One is message content, message reach, message co-creation, social media as a problem-solving activity, social media as an activity structure, social media as a resource provider, social media as a resource, and social media as a platform for other exchanges. Now let us discuss the strategies one by one. The first strategy is a message content. The foundation of digital engagement is creating valuable and reliable message content. This involves crafting posts, visuals, and videos that resonate with the target audience. The focus is on delivering the content that educates, entertains, or inspires, ensuring it aligns with the audience interest and the brand's objective. If a user is engaged with a content, first of all, the content should be interested to that particular user or the user groups. So the focus is on delivering the content which is having some stuff to educate the people or entertain the people or inspire the people. Such a type of content has to be delivered from the library. The next strategy is the message reach. Message reach emphasizes maximizing the visibility of content. It involves strategies to increase the number of users exposed to a message through organic reach. That means the number of shares, likes, and etc. And paid promotions, including advertisements. An effective reach ensures that content reaches the intended audience segments. The next is a message co-creation. This strategy encourages collaboration with the users to create content. The examples of message creation include user-generated content, contest, polls, and campaigns where audience contribute ideas, photos, or testimonials. Co-creation fosters deeper engagement and strengthens the community bonds. And the social media is a problem-solving activity. You can social media serve as a platform for addressing user concerns and solving problems in real time. Brands and organizations engage with the customers by responding to queries, resolving issues, and providing support, building trust and loyalty in the process. So one should consider the social media as a problem-solving activity. The next one is social media as an activity structure. This involves designing social media initiatives that encourage specific user activities such as participating in challenges, engaging in discussions, or joining live sessions. Activity structures drive sustained engagement by fostering interaction and participation. And another strategy is we should consider social media as a resource provider. Social media platforms act as a valuable resource by offering tools, information, and insights that users find very helpful. The examples include sharing educational content, tutorials, or guides that add values to the audience's personal or professional life. Social media as a resource. Beyond providing resources, social media itself is a resource for users and marketers alike. It offers insights through analytics, feedback, and trends, helping brands understand user behavior and refine their strategies. And the social media as a platform for other exchanges. So, social media facilitates a wide range of exchanges beyond just information, including social, financial, and emotional interactions. For instance, the social media can serve as a marketplace for transactions and a hub for networking or a platform for sharing emotional experiences and support. So, through this way, we can use our social media platforms for engaging our users. Learners, now we are going to discuss what are the important key aspects of digital engagement. The first aspect is social media interaction. One should actively respond to comments, messages, and mentions on social media platforms. Personal replies help build rapport and show that you value your audience input. So, through the interaction with the social media, one can engage our users with the digital content. Another aspect we have to take care of, another aspect one should take care of is interactive content. We have to use some sort of polls, quizzes, context, and live sessions to make your content more engaging and encourage audience for participation. The third point is encourage conversations. We have to pose some questions or invite opinions on relevant topics to spark discussions and gather insights. So, in that way, we can engage our users with various conversations. Then, fourth point is personalization. The tailor-made interactions based on user preferences, behaviors, or feedback to create a more meaningful connections. The next one is call to actions. Use clear and compelling call to actions to guide the audience toward specific actions such as subscribing, sharing, or purchasing. The last aspect is analytics and the feedback. In the analytics and feedback, one should monitor Engagement metrics like how many shares, how many likes, how many comments, how many clicks have been received to understand what resonates with our audience and refine our strategy accordingly. So these important aspects we have to be take care of while you engaging our users with this digital content. The content creation, curation, and engagement strategies are essential components of a successful digital communication framework. Content creation ensures the delivery of original, valuable material, while content curation enhances access to high quality, relevant resources tailored to specific audiences. Engagement strategies further amplify the impact and fostering interaction, building trust, and nurturing relationship with the target audience. Together, these elements create a dynamic ecosystem that drives visibility, promotes meaningful connections, and ensures sustained growth in the digital space. As digital platforms evolve, mastering these strategies become even more critical for achieving long-term success for the librarians and library professionals. So this is the end of the today's session, and we will be back with the next topic. So thank you very much for your patience listening. Goodbye. Thank you.